Hi boys and girls, this is our last science experiment for this school year. We will start again next September, but this science experiment is making your own lava lamp. Let's see where our crazy scientist is. Mr. Chuck, where's our crazy scientist? There he is.
Hi boys and girls. Boy, I'm so excited about this one because we get to show you our egg from last week's experiment, and show you a cool lava lamp experiment. So here we have our egg from last week that we put in vinegar. And what happened to it? What happened to the shell? Where is it? Wow. So I think since the egg is gone and the vinegar actually ate up all the calcium on the egg shell, it actually will bounce a little bit. So now we have a bouncing egg. So for this experiment, I need to introduce our trusty assistant, Peyton. Look at Peyton, she's so happy to be here. All right, and for this experiment, we're going to need a few things. I believe Miss Jackie gave all of you some Alka Seltzer. And then we'll need a glass with some water and any type of cooking oil. We have canola oil for our example today. Peyton and some red food coloring. And that's what's going to make our lava lamp. So Peyton, would you like to put the ingredients in the vessel?
Yes. Okay. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay.
So that's the oil that we put in the glass. Now we're going to put the water in. This is kind of cool right here as well. There, that's enough. So if you let this settle out a second, you'll notice that the water and the oil separate. That's because of the density or the viscosity of the two. So let it settle for a second, Peyton. I think we should have put it in a little slower, but it will still work. Now you want to try to add the food coloring, one drop at a time, but move it around as you add it. Look at, they're going to fall to the bottom until they reach the water. They might even start coloring some of the water on the bottom for us. All right. Now we're going to add the Alka Seltzer pellet to the bottom of the glass and watch the cool lava lamp. Pretty cool, huh? So again, boys and girls, the reason that this is happening is that the oil and the water have different densities. And as the food coloring sits on top of the water, the Alka Seltzer bubbles are making the food color rise up through the oil, and then it falls back down again, just like a lava lamp. So I hope you guys had fun this year with the Crazy Scientist. I'll look forward to seeing you again next year with my trusty assistant. And you guys have a great summer if I don't see you. Bye!